In this video, we will show you how to log into MT4. Before we begin, make sure you have your MetaTrader 4 account number and password ready, and that you have already downloaded and installed MT4 from the FXChoice website. The first step is to open MetaTrader 4 on your desktop computer. To log in, click File in the top left-hand corner of the terminal. Select Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number in the login field. You can find the account number in the confirmation email that you received when opening the account. Enter your password below in the password field. Use the password you created when opening the account. Next, select the correct server from the drop-down menu. This information is included in the confirmation email. If you are using Mac, you may need to manually search for the correct server. Just click the green plus sign and type FXChoice and then click Scan. FXChoice servers will now be displayed. Select the correct one which matches your confirmation email. You can tick the box if you want MetaTrader to remember your details. Hit Login and you should hear the MetaTrader chime to let you know that your login was successful. And that's it. Congratulations, you are now logged into MT4 and ready to start trading. Thank you for watching our FXChoice how-to video. Be sure to check out our other videos on the FXChoice YouTube channel.